Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Kia Sorento and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after installing the tints onto the taillights. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Okay, so to start off the installation, we need to prep the lenses. But to prep the lens, we need to have the lift gate open so we could clean the inside of the taillight as well. So once you have it open, now we can start cleaning the lenses. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and start removing any contaminants that the lens might have. Okay, so the first piece we're going to be working on is this piece in the inside of the taillight. So when you receive your kit, that piece will be this one right here. That's right in the middle between the reflector and the front piece of the taillight. So it's going to be this one right here. So once you have your piece, apply Slip Solution onto this edge here and onto the tint and align it on the top. And it should cover the bottom piece here. Okay, so once you have it lined up, the next step is to add Tack Solution. That way we can start sealing the film. Okay, now that we have this section tacked down, now all we need to do is apply Tack Solution on the edge here to help the film to the other side of the taillight here. So just add Tack Solution, and then with your heat gun, start helping the film tack down to the curve on the other side here. Okay, so now that we finished installing this piece here, now we move on to installing the other outer piece here. So the next outer piece, when you grab your film, it would be the top piece here. So the same steps that we did on this edge, we're going to do it on this side. So just apply Slip Solution, and then just align the film, and make sure you're covering the edge on this side, and you're covering the bottom piece here as well. Once you have it aligned, we can start tagging it down. Okay, and the next thing to do after we finish installing it is just sealing this edge here. That way it's not lifting. So just apply Tack Solution and heat to help it seal the edges here. And now we move on to the front piece. Okay, now we can move on with this middle section here. So it's going to be just the last piece that's remaining here for the middle section. This one's for the reflector. So just grab your piece and apply Slip Solution onto the front piece here and the tint. And this one you're just going to align it right on the bottom here and on the sides here. And now once you have it aligned, apply Tack Solution and start tacking the piece down. And if you do happen to have small fingers on the top section here, just with Tack Solution and heat, you could remove them. And it should be good. Now we can move on with this install. Okay, so for the next install, it's going to be this outer piece of the taillight. So the same steps we did with the other outer pieces. It's just applying Slip Solution on the edge here and Slip Solution on the tint also. And then just match it and make sure you align it on the bottom. And you're giving yourself enough material to overlap to this side. Now that we have it aligned, we're just going to apply Tack Solution onto the film to start tagging it down and helping this part of the film tack down to the curve on that edge. And then to help speed up the process on tacking down this edge here, just apply Tack Solution again and then heat all around. So now we move on to this piece here. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and onto the tint itself, And then just place the film. Make sure you align it on this edge and everything else falls into place on this curve here. Now that we have this section aligned, the next thing is to tack down this portion here, and afterwards, once we're done, helping it tack down on this end and making sure everything is aligned. So apply tack solution and start tacking the section down. So once we have this section tacked down, now we just help the film stretch and reach this edge here. So to stretch the film, apply slip solution, dry this area, and help it stretch to tack down on this end until you reach the edge here. Once you have it on the edge here, now we can start tacking it down. And then slowly, little by little, help remove any fingers that come up on this side of the curve here. Okay, and then to remove any small fingers, just apply tack solution and then with heat to remove the fingers. Okay, now that we finished removing all of the fingers, now we could finish off installing the top piece. So for this section here, we made a cutout just in case the tail light on your vehicle is not dark and is a red color instead of this dark color. You can cover it up with this piece here. But for this installation, it's just applying slip solution and then just align it to the edge. And once you have it there, just tack it down. And then we're just gonna seal it off with heat on the edges here. And that's it, you're done. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish installing the whole tint piece on your taillight is to post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it tacks down more better to your taillight. So just apply tack solution all around. And then with your microfiber towel and a heat gun, just go all around wherever we did overlaps and also on the edges and on the middle as well. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2021 Kia Sorento. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.